The video begins with a shot of a cluttered, disorganized kitchen. Pots and pans are stacked haphazardly, spices are scattered across the counter, and drawers are overflowing with utensils. The overall feel is chaotic and cramped, making it clear that cooking in this space would be a stressful experience. The narrator's voice cuts in, describing the initial state of the kitchen and the challenges it poses. Next, the video transitions to the transformation process. First, the narrator explains the importance of decluttering. The camera shows a systematic removal of unnecessary items, creating a clean slate for organization. Then, they introduce the concept of zones, designated areas for specific activities like prepping, cooking, and cleaning. The narrator emphasizes how this strategic division helps streamline tasks and enhances efficiency. The camera zooms into the pantry area, where clear, labeled containers replace mismatched boxes and bags. This technique not only adds aesthetic appeal, but also makes it easier to find ingredients. Moving to the drawers, the narrator highlights the use of drawer dividers to separate utensils, making everything easily accessible and preventing clutter. Overhead cabinets are equipped with shelf risers, effectively doubling storage space and keeping items orderly. Attention then shifts to the spice rack. A Lazy Susan turntable is introduced, allowing easy access to all spices with a simple spin. The narrator notes how this small change can significantly reduce the time spent searching for the right spice. Similarly, pots and pans are hung on a wall-mounted rack, freeing up valuable cabinet space and adding a stylish touch to the kitchen's decor. Finally, the video reveals the stunning aftershot, a kitchen that is both functional and beautiful. Everything has its place, from the smallest spices to the largest pots, making it a joy to cook in. The narrator concludes by summarizing the key techniques used: decluttering, creating zones, using clear containers, drawer dividers, shelf risers, and efficient storage solutions like Lazy Susans and wall-mounted racks. The transformation underscores how thoughtful organization can dramatically improve both the functionality and appearance of a kitchen.